7 Wonders of Water. Stay slimmer with water. Trying to lose weight. Water revs up metabolism and helps you feel full. Replace calorie-filled beverages with water, and drink a glass before meals to help you feel fuller. Drinking more water helps amp up metabolism, especially if your glass is icy cold. Your body must work to warm the water up, burning a few extra calories in the process. Water boosts your energy. If you're feeling drained and depleted, get a pick-me-up with water. Dehydration makes you feel tired. The right amount of water could help your heart pump your blood more effectively. And water can help your blood transport oxygen and other essential nutrients to your cells. Lower stress with water. About 70% to 80% of your brain tissue is water. If you're dehydrated, your body and your mind are stressed. If you're feeling thirsty, you're already a little dehydrated. Keep a glass of water at your desk or carry a sports bottle and sip regularly. Build muscle tone with water. Drinking water helps prevent muscle cramping and lubricates joints in the body. When you're well hydrated, you can exercise longer and stronger before hitting the wall. Nourish your skin. Fine lines and wrinkles are deeper when you're dehydrated. Drinking water hydrates skin cells and plumps them up, making your face look younger. It also flushes out impurities and improves circulation and blood flow, helping your skin glow. Stay regular with water. Along with fiber, water is important for good digestion. Water helps dissolve waste particles and passes them smoothly through your digestive tract. If you're dehydrated, your body absorbs all the water, leaving your colon dry and making it more difficult to pass waste. Water reduces kidney stones. The rate of painful kidney stones is rising. One of the reasons could be because people, including children, aren't drinking enough water. Water dilutes the salts and minerals in your urine that form the solid crystals known as kidney stones. Kidney stones are less likely to form in diluted urine, so reduce your risk with plenty of water. Are you drinking enough water? Most healthy adults get enough to drink by letting their thirst guide them. But the exact amount you need depends on your size, level of activity, the weather, and your general health. You may need more water if you exercise or sweat heavily.